What's up guys, it's me Jimmy again. Right now you're hearing the audio from the Olympus Pen EPL9. I want to improve my audio, especially for vlogging. I need some kind of recorder. I was thinking to buy a lav mic or something like that, and then I found the Olympus VP-10. I was just clipping on my shirt and then doing the audio sync. So right now you're just hearing the audio from the Olympus Pen EPL9 camera, mirrorless camera, and this one is the recorder. I bought a refurbished from it's refurbished by Olympus. Let's hope the condition is going to be good. The new one go for like around 80 bucks. The refurbished go for 40 bucks. So here we go. You got some kind of cable, I don't know for what. Waiting for charging. Yeah. Okay, let me see what you get inside. Let's see what's there. Olympus, personally I love Olympus. I don't know, something is special about Olympus in my heart, especially Olympus and Pentex. I don't know what the goodness of heaven is Pentex is doing. Okay, this is a manual, as you can see. Okay, it have a built-in USB. Okay, you can clip like this. I mean, the manual is very visual and very easy to understand, to be honest with you. It's really very nice. So I just need to slide off recording. I need to tell whether it's using the, I have like the alkaline battery also. No, this one is the super heavy duty. Okay, this is not the alkaline. I think it comes with a battery also. Let me put this thing aside. The condition seems quite good. Okay, it have a nickel metal, what's this called? Oh, I forgot my brain. What is called? Nickel metal or something like that. Yeah, the battery is here. Okay, no, I just wanna search Google it because my brain is like exploding. MH. What is the full like abbreviation? Nickel metal. Okay, nickel metal battery. Okay, here we go. If we are going to use this any nickel metal battery, especially from Olympus one, or you can buy the third party one, you can use the USB charging. Okay, here's a good thing. It comes with a flap. Can you see? You cannot easily lose it. I mean, the good thing, you can clip it, as you can see on your body. Okay, let me. Okay, even there's a flap here. Olympus engineer, I love you guys. You are so smart, to be honest with you. Let's see, do this one have a charge? I don't think so. You can just plug directly in a socket and charge it. It's better use a USB because my laptop is so thin. If I'm trying to like put in my laptop insert, I cannot put my laptop on the table. I need to use this one. Yeah. So let me just put inside. I know the audio is crap from my camera, I understand, but I love Olympus a lot. Olympus is something. Olympus, if you're watching me, sponsor me, man. I'm a huge fan of you. I'm using the like $2,000 Olympus camera lens for my upcoming travel blogging and vlogging channel. So here we go. Let me turn on. Is there any charge? Okay. We are using the alkaline. No, we are using the nickel metal. Okay. Okay, I think I need to bring my camera down. So much better, right? I need to lower the exposure. Much better, right? So you can see. So the month is 01. The day is also, the day is like 2. Okay, the year is 2020. No, got to go to back. Okay, can I focus? Yeah, keep focusing camera, my good Olympus. I wanna lower the exposure. No, I wanna go up. Yes, I did it. Time right now is 8 p.m. No, 8 because using up is a little bit hard for me. It's a tiny. 8:25. I want to see the Hong Kong time or the precise Hong Kong time. Let me just see the precise Hong Kong time. (8:23). I think we are done with this setting. I really love this display because there are a lot of stupid audio recorder which are not backlit. I go to menu. Let me go to record menu. Recording level. Personally, I don't think so you need to do high. We are using only a body. Keep on low because on high it will be clipping. Recording mode. I want to use MP3. Okay, MP3. Okay, and then anti-rusting is this. I will show you how anti-rust works. Low, high. I think low will be better. Low cut filter. I don't think so. I need to turn the low cut filter, or what do you think? Recording scene. Dictation conference meeting. Pocket. Okay. Okay, I wanna do some demonstration on the recording scene. Right now it's off, right? Recording scene off, right? Okay, let me just turn it on. Right now you are hearing the audio with the recording scene off. You need to be the judge how good is the audio. So right now you are hearing the recording scene in the pocket mode before you are hearing in the off mode. So you need to be the judge how good is the audio. Right now you are hearing the recording scene with the dictation mode. You need to be the judge how good is the audio. So right now you are hearing in the conference mode. You need to be the judge how good is the audio. Right now you are hearing in the meeting mode. You need to be the judge how good is the audio. Yes, you need to be the judge. Right now you are hearing the audio in the DNS mode. You need to be the judge how good is the audio. You need to be the judge. So yeah, overall, I mean, I'm really liking it. It's very portable. Everything is like built in, to be honest with you. I'm really liking it. So now I'm going to go out and then going to do the audio test. Let's go out. So I'm recording with my Olympus VP-10 camera. Now I'm going to turn on the recording. First I wanna turn on the recording. Okay, now here you go. You're hearing some rubbing sound because I'm just putting on my body. So right now it's in my body. You need to be the judge how good is the quality. Also let me walk a little bit so you can better understand how good is the quality. Yeah, to me seems quite good at the end of the day. So you need to be the judge how good is the quality. About the audio, to me seems quite good. I'm just using it here, so yeah, I think I'm liking the audio quite a lot.